Here's a Samsung Galaxy A53 smartphone. I'm going to show you how to transfer files such as photos and videos directly from the phone to your Apple computer, MacBook, or iMac using the charging cable and without using iTunes. Now, the first thing to mention is the charging cable that comes with your Galaxy A53 is a USB-C to USB-C. Okay, the thing is, I don't have a USB-C port or a Thunderbolt port on my MacBook here, so my other option is I can use a USB-A to USB-C. Okay, so let me plug this into my USB port on my MacBook here, and then before I plug this in, what you need to do is download. It's a free download, okay? So what you want to do is, I'll have a link below in the description, but you want to download this Android file transfer. This way, as soon as we plug the phone in, we'll be able to transfer directly, okay? It's a free. You can click on download, and once you download and install that, like I downloaded and installed mine like 5 years ago, and I still have it. It's still down here, that little green robot. So I know my Android file transfer is already installed. So now, let me just grab my phone here. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. Make sure that I'm signed in here. That thing pops up, don't worry about it. Let me just sign in here. Okay, now I get a message here on my phone, allow access to phone data. I'm going to go ahead and tap on allow right there. Okay, now this other window here popped up, but what we're going to do is this. Let me just go ahead and click on OK there. Let me just close that window out. And now that little Android guy, the Android file transfer, the Android robot, the green guy right down here. Let me click on that. And now I'm going to go to, let me zoom in. So what we want to do for all of our, you can see the folders on your A53. We want to go to the DCIM folder. DCIM, double click on that, and then we have camera up here. Okay, so double click on camera, and then and then this is where I have all my photos and videos I've taken with this phone. Only like a few of them. Okay, so from here, basically, we can you want to save it to the computer now, to the computer's MacBook's hard drive. I mean, you can drag and drop now if you wish. We can drag and drop it onto the desktop, just like as if this was a Windows computer. Okay, or what I typically do is I'll just create a new folder on my desktop here, and I'll just leave it called untitled folder up there, and then what I'll do is select whichever ones I want. I'm just going to highlight the whole shebang. I'm going to drag and drop into that folder called untitled folder, let it go, let it transfer. So it's transferring now. Okay, looks like it's done. Let me unplug my phone, and now I have that folder up here, which is where my photos and videos are. So I can double click on that, and then let me open up. Here's an MP4, a video file.
Testing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
So there you go. Pretty simple. Questions or issues? Comment below. Good luck.